now we are going to see about the how to create dashboards in report view. Okay, so we have created the model view. Before that we created table view, data view, right? We formatted queries in the Power BI query editor. Now we are jumping into the dashboard report view. Okay, so now I am opening the report. So here is a sample report I have created. So for example, in the top left side I have created a table. Okay, this is just a drag and drop. If you click on this table, you will see the visualization. The latest Power BI desktop edition I'm not using. Okay, so I'm having little older version which is downloaded in 2023. Okay, latest edition, the visualization UI is different. Okay, so here in the rows and columns I have added product name, and the columns I have added return date. You can see here. Okay, so quarter wise data also you can take, and okay, if you want to drill down to upper, you will look 2020, 2021, 2022. Okay, so if you want to go to the next level, it will showcase quarter one. Next level, it will showcase January, February, like that. Okay, all the months and the total will be there. Okay, so this is how the matrix table will be working upon. Okay, so next here I have given a clustered bar chart. Okay, here if you want to look at the data, y axis I am having country, and x axis I am having the sum of annual income for the customers from United States, Australia. So location wise I have added. Okay, so it is a tooltip I have added to showcase. If you want, it is a default tooltip coming in the clustered chart. If you want to add some other tooltip also, you can add it here. Okay, just drag and drop, like products for category name. If you want to add in tooltips, just touch over here. See here you have category name, accessories. So all these are based on accessories, so it is coming in the accessories. Similarly, if you want to know the individual record like order quantity, number of orders, number of customers, okay, so these thing if you want to add, it is like a text box I have added. Okay, card, this is a card I have added. So here see sum of order quantity, is some simply drag and drop. Okay, from here I dragged and dropped here. Okay, so similarly in count of customers I have added, count of the order quantity, sum of order quantity, where we will have the counter. Okay, see while I am clicking on this record, okay, you are able to monitor things. So if you click on quarter 2 and quarter 3, you can also see quarter wise record. Okay, this is very important for visualizations. Okay, so this thing you can add to your records, any number of visualizations you can add. So here in the right side you have this many options, and in Power BI paid version you can also buy some charts. Okay, and add it to the record. So here this is the AI part. In the AI part, if you want to know some questions, if you want to ask questions based on the record, for example, the AI is giving count house owners. Okay, so there are 3 count house owners, and if you want to total order quantity, see 84k, this is what we have added already. Okay, so you want to ask some other questions like accessories, or okay, or bikes sold, okay, anything you can ask, it will give you the record. Okay, see, this is how we can visualize. Okay, category wise it is saying. Okay, so in the next version, maybe current version is as per the taking the video, Power BI 2.152 is the current version. Maybe in the next upcoming versions this AI part is degraded. Okay, so I don't want to give much importance on this. Okay, Then we have a pie chart. In the pie chart we have I have given here in the bottom, and I have added the model name, sum of order quantity. See, this is a kind of donut chart similar to the pie chart. If you want to have a pie chart, you can click here. This is a pie chart. Okay, and the most you know best thing in Power BI is if you click on some other record, like I want to click on United States, you can see the visualization is changing. Okay, that is a very very important thing that we have to understand as per the Power BI. Okay, so see, it is providing the correct order quantity as per France, customers as per France, order sum of order quantity. Okay, so both the cards I have given the same item. You can have different item. Maybe if you want to take the order date, okay, you have to just drag and drop. Okay, so earliest order date of this country. Okay, see, all these will be changing randomly. Similarly, it will happen in all the visualization. You can just click here and see all the visualizations will impact globally. Okay, so this is how we can create powerful visualizations in Power BI dashboard. I hope all these videos are very useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. I am posting lot of interview questions. Okay, I'm posting lot of latest information and providing job opportunities, whereas you can try and find a job. Okay, I hope these videos are very helpful from the freshers point of view. Let us meet in the next session. God bless you. Thank you.